I need to pack up these puzzles. Not these puzzles, this puzzle. It's a rocket. It's like 5 foot long. We really like puzzles in this place, huh? There are quite a few puzzles. It's just one of the things that we can do together, the three of us. So puzzles are fun. You should get puzzles, guys. You should get puzzles, guys. Guys, I'm an influencer now, yeah? I'm an influencer, so book me. My contact's gonna be in the description, okay? So yeah. Oh my god. I'm recording, but I don't really want to record. I just feel very tired and very overwhelmed and frustrated. Why does it look like it upside down? Yeah, it upside down. Hey guys, happy Sunday! Yes, it's been a minute. But you know all the trips there. Sometimes girl phone just not do what it's supposed to do, so I can't record. But have it sorted out now, so I'm going to the fan is in the background, so I don't know if like that's gonna be a problem, the sound, but hopefully it's not, because I forget up and go somewhere else right now. Remember, Sarah over there is sleeping. Yeah, sleeping like an angel, and she was just behaving like a tyrant. Anyways, I just wanted this video. I just want to talk about, like, I don't know. I just want to talk about puzzles. Let us talk about puzzles. Do you like puzzles? I like puzzles. May always film. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright. So yeah, I know it's been a minute, guys. Alright, I do know. But hear me out. I never have a phone to film anything on, so that was a problem. So I'm trying to like do all of that right now. I don't know how much content I'm gonna be able to do, but yeah. Johnny's sleeping. See her there, my little pretty princess. And I'm already outside playing. Yes, I am lying down on a pile of puzzle, but this is a puzzle house full of puzzle. But anyways, guys, I was just there. I think how things can change. Last year, them time where I was at like the Independence Village with Link. No, this year Link now do all of them just there for this year. Yeah. So I am not there, but that's all experience and stuff. But instead, I am home, and guess what? Guess what now? Flo decided to them to tell them internet from morning. From morning, and I don't know what I'm doing. When he said it later than that, 209, and Flo still don't send back the internet. Flo, you are flowing. You are flowing. Big holiday and you're flowing. I'm not like that for you. I'm not like that for me though. No. But anyways, guys, yes, it's been a hot minute. I should I? No, I'm not going to do that because I'm not go tweets, I'm not go help out my girl, but it's fine. I'll figure it out. Anyways, I was going to say that I kind of did film some stuff, but I can't post it because it's with Amari, and youngster is very vocal now about what he wants to put on the internet and what he wants people to know. So I'm respecting his decision and his, what you call it, right to privacy, and not share certain content with him. Like there was the other day, this whole experience, and I wanted to talk about it because, I thought it would be like it was a learning moment for me, and I wanted to share. And then when I was doing it, he was like, "I don't want you telling anybody else that." So I'm like, "Oh shit." So I'm like, "Okay, that's fine. I won't share it. I'll just keep it for myself." So certain little things he doesn't want y'all to see or hear. So I am very mindful of that now, and yes, I know that she soon come tell me say she don't want certain things either, but that's fine, and that's good. I don't mind. But at the same time, Amari's telling me that he wants to do his own YouTube channel because he wants to do Minecraft, and I'm like, sir, who's going to edit those videos? Me? So I'm saying, no man, you're not ready to have your own channel, it's so yeah, there are going to be changes. He's still going to be in my videos and stuff, but it's just when he wants to be and what he wants to share. So yeah, that's good. What else? Since I'm doing updates, yeah, I don't have any other important updates to give, guys. Like, life is life as per usual, and flow is flowing, link is linking. But that's it. That's it. Oh, I did my hair myself, guys. I did it. Yeah, it's not like perfect, but it's a pull out now. No, it's a pull out now, but I do it myself. Girl, they're on the air, and I'm proud of myself. I'm very proud of myself for that. And I just need a bit more practice and a little more patience and just do my thing, because girl can do her thing. By the way, I am feeling myself. Feeling myself? I have no idea what this is, guys. Anyways, yeah. I'm finding something else to talk about for this video. I'll let y'all know. But oh yes, one more thing. I'm an influencer, guys. Yeah. So treat me like an influencer. How do you treat an influencer, guys? My uncle told us what type of day, because what kind of influencer is about? Yeah, idiots.